Hey Candy Kings and Queens, welcome and welcome back. Yes, honey, welcome and welcome back. Thank you guys so much for being so patient with me. I know I've been doing a lot of live streaming here lately, and you gotta understand that it's been only for me and my whole mental clarity. Like, you guys, this whole situation and everything that's going on around us, I'm trying to stay as positive as I possibly can. And sometimes I just gotta do what I gotta do, and it just helps to relax my mind. It helps give me a peace of mind, and it comforts me when I get to talk to you guys and actually socialize, and you guys talk back with me, and we can live and laugh a little. And nothing around here is perfect anyway. So, we just like to hang out a little. But again, thank you so much for bearing with me, okay? I got you, boo. So, in the meantime, what are some of the things that you've been doing to keep your mental clarity or to keep yourself stable in this trying time that we have right now? So yeah, what are some of the things that you guys are doing to keep busy or to keep your mental clarity and to keep a peace of mind around this time? It's just so many things that we can be doing, and one thing that we should not be doing, and that is stressing. You guys, we have so many other things that we need to be thinking about, or so many other things that we should be thankful for, at least. Yes, honey. So during my time, other than doing live streaming and kicking it with the family, I'm still trying to keep my clarity and staying focused on the goal. Yes, I don't want to take my eye off the prize, not once. Okay, I would like to keep my focus, and I want to keep my mind, in that rhythm or that pattern that I had it in from the beginning, where I have goals to accomplish. I have things to do. And what better time than to start manifesting and creating and making sure those goals are getting crushed than now? Yes, honey, right now. As you guys know, a couple of months ago, I created my vision board, right? Yes, my vision board. So if you haven't had a chance to check that out, make sure you click the link at the top or on the side here somewhere. Make sure you go back and check out that vision board that your girl made. Okay, so it's never too late to create visions, and it's never too late to make your dreams come true. So during this downtime, I highly encourage you guys to take advantage of this time and to make sure that you are doing everything to stay on top and to stay motivated and stay focused on the goal. Okay, with that being said, y'all, when I thought that I had it all together, right, with my vision board. Like, my vision board had all of my dreams and all of my goals and everything that I wanted on it, and so much more. And for those of you who don't know what a vision board is, basically it is a board of all of your visions or all of your dreams, aspirations, and goals, and things that you would like to accomplish throughout your lifetime or throughout, a short period of time. You put goals on there, you put things on there that you are wanting or willing to accomplish within the next 5 to 6 months, or maybe even 3 to 4 years. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have an actual time frame unless you put the time frame to it. So there's so many ways that you can create your vision board. There, you can do it via paper, you can do it electronically, you can create a vision board even in your head, you can just put it on your phone, whatever you want to do, however you like to do your vision board. There's no wrong way to do it. However, I thought that I had the best way of doing it until I found out about the Liddy board. The Liddy board, y'all. I know you're like, what's the Liddy board? The Liddy board. Look, let me tell y'all. Okay, look, check this out, right? Check this out. Look at this. The Liddy board, y'all. The Liddy board. Look. Look at that. Yes, honey, the Liddy board. I know, right? The Liddy board. Look at how lit literally it is, y'all. Okay, like, look, it's got all of my blue face hunters on it. Like, look, y'all, it's so freaking cute. And look at this. Do y'all see the colors on it? This gold, honey, this gold is everything. Yes, it's so me, okay? Period. It's very candy. But anyway, listen, it is customizable. The Liddy board, you guys can find, of course, I'm going to give you all the details below. So, of course, this video is being highly sponsored by the Liddy board. And as you guys can see, it has everything on it and more. Yes, honey, the Liddy board is everything, right? Look at that. It is completely filled with blue face hundreds all over it from the top to the bottom. Like, it's so big. It's like bigger than me, y'all. So I'm sorry. There you go. And let me show you guys what the back has. So on the back, it has a cute little quote. You see that? Yes, honey. Yes. It says, dream it, plan it, do it, period, sis. Period. Okay. Yes, honey, the Liddy board. I know, right? It's so freaking cute. I love it. The Liddy board is the updated version of your everyday DIY vision board. It gives you a better, it gives you a really cool visual, a really good idea on how you want to manifest your dreams and make things come true. Each board is customizable. So as you can see, I have gold, and I love this gold on these blue face hundreds. Honey, it's everything. If you want it, you can get it customized to your color, and they have several different colors. I think they have like pink, blue, green, several different colors. Okay, just check out the website. You will not be disappointed when it arrives, guys. It is so huge. It's big enough for all your goals and so much more. Not only that, they customize each individual template. Like each one of these little squares or each one of these little sections you see here, they're customized with little things or little quotes that you present to them. For example, I have health on mine. I have financial freedom. I have my vision goals here. I also have bossing, of course. I have so many things that I want to get into, and this is really cool. Here's something else that they also include on the vision board. Down here below, you get the days of the week. So you get like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And so what I found would be really cool with a vision board like this or a Liddy board like this, if you were starting your business and you are basically getting ready to get your inventory to come in, this will be a good way for you to keep up with your inventory dates and to know what you need to keep up with when it comes to keeping track of things. This is a really cool idea. I really love the Liddy board, you guys. This is so freaking awesome. Highly recommend that you guys consider purchasing one of these, so that way you can help manifest those goals while we're on quarantine, honey. Make those dreams come true, okay? Not only that, the Liddy board also comes with this cute little packet or this cute little package that you can keep all of your essentials in, and it comes with essentials, you guys. Okay, so there's some essentials included inside of your little Liddy board or lit bag in this case. Okay, let me show you guys what comes inside. Of course, you have the Liddy board thank you card. And again, it gives you information about how to dream it, plan it, do it, period. Okay, and basically it's encouraging. It's letting you know, like, honey, look, you got this, period. What do I tell you guys all the time? You got this. And what better way to show that you got this than to definitely get started manifesting those goals right now, honey. Okay, so what else we have in here? All right. Okay, of course you get your little bracket here. You get your little brackets or whatnot so that you can hang it up on the wall. You know, again, it is really big and it is really sturdy. It's not heavy, but it's heavy, if that makes sense. So it's very sturdy. You can hang it up on your wall. You can hang it up in your bedroom, wherever you would like. So you can conveniently change it or interchange the decals and the notes on it whenever you feel free. I love the fact that the Liddy board was so equipped with everything that you need. I mean, it came with every single thing that you need, you guys. Look at this. I have a blue face $100 bill wipe. This is a napkin, you guys. So like you can unfold it and you can use it, of course, on your board, because your board you can use your marker on. You write on it, okay? So you have that option to write on it, so that way you can easily erase it with the dry erase marker. Not only that, yes, honey, they provide you with the marker, okay? You ain't even got to worry about going to get extra or additional supplies, because they got you, period. Okay, look. Okay, I'm not left-handed, but I'm going to give this a try, y'all, okay? And that's just a heart for you guys. Yes! And again, you can just wipe it right on off. Look at that. Wipe it right on off. Honey, your boy is reusable for decades to come, okay? So you can use it all the time. You can use it on several different occasions, okay? That's the really cool thing about this. Let's see what else we got. Also included, we have notes. Yes, honey. So if you don't want to write on your board and you're more comfortable with using sticky notes, baby, they got you. You got sticky notes included in your little bag so that you can use those to stick on your board or to even keep up with time frames as well. Also, you get a nice little magnet. And you also get this cute little keychain, you guys. Look at that. A Liddy board keychain. I'm talking about, this is so well packaged and so equipped with all of the essentials and tools that you need, honey. I highly, highly suggest you guys consider the Liddy board. And of course, you got your little sticker, honey. Yes, put that anywhere, okay? Represent for Liddy board, period, okay? So thank you, Liddy board, honey. This board is amazing. I really love it. I will definitely be putting it to use in more than one way. Like, I have so many things that I already have planned out to put on it, and I cannot wait to just move over some of the things that I have on my vision board. I'm going to put it over on this new board, and I am going to start over because now I have new dreams, I have new goals, and I have new things that I plan to achieve within this particular year. So of course, make sure you guys are doing everything that you can to stay healthy, and make sure that you guys are continuing your savings, okay? The main thing is for us to continue to remain focused on as much positive things as we can right now. And again, you guys, we have to try our best to stay focused on positive things and keep our mind occupied with positive thoughts, okay? And again, what better way to do it than to start your dream board or your vision board? That's right, honey. Go ahead and get you a Liddy board. The info or the information is actually located down below so that you can get your hands on you a Liddy board. And guess what, honey? You already know I got you a discount coming through, period. So go ahead and click on the link below and get your Liddy board today. Thank you guys. I love you so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, love.